Hello, my name is Ben Pope, Division President with America's Home Place. Today I'm going to talk about some of the obstacles that our customers overcome in order to get a house built with us. One of the first ones that comes to my mind was a customer down in Valdosta, Georgia. She came in when I was selling for America's Home Place back in 2008, 2009. When she came in, she didn't qualify for a loan. She didn't have land, but she had an idea what she wanted. She had a plan that she fell in love with, but she didn't have the means to get it. She was in school to become a nurse. In over years, she got that degree that she was working for. She got a good job and used that job to help straighten out her credit. She found the perfect piece of land that she wanted to build on, and we helped her pick out the house. About 2 years ago, she came back in and everything worked out perfectly. Today she's got the house exactly like she envisioned it back in 2008. That's been one of the most rewarding builds that I've ever been a part of. Again, my name is Ben Polk, Division President with America's Home Place.